All right, YouTube. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whatever the hell it is around you. Here we are working on an old Kenrich 200. I just recapped it and did some other couple things. New keying transistor with a quick change socket in case it burns up again. But now I'm going to deal with how the factory wood screw style is stripped out. I'm putting rivnuts in her, rivet nuts. And it squishes down and gets tight in the hole. So let's start. Does that fit? I forget if I gotta go up one step or not. Nope, that's perfect. And the best part is, this now accepts your typical CB radio case screw, which I buy bags and bags and bags and bags and bags of them. Yeah. Probably just going to stick with black because that's what I got an abundance of. So, let's continue. I'm going to drill it out, deburr it. And don't forget that when we're done with this, we're cleaning the living crap out of the inside of this amp because we don't need no metal shavings bouncing around and shorting something out when this customer gets it back. He needs to get it back and use it. That's why he sent it to me, so he can get it fixed. Not so he can get it back and say, oh, the technician repair guy that just built my amp again is an idiot. Well, I mean, I am an idiot, but that's different.
Came through. He found the part that we needed finally, so we'll get this shifter put in it and fuel line run tomorrow. But for today, we're done. Ben's out of here. He's heading home.
So yeah, we're just going to continue this process all the way around this box.
We're pretty much done for the day, so cash we're in today. All right, got a job to do. I don't want anyone dying right out here.
Oh, I don't know if you can hear it through my microphone in the background, but I'm watching good old Fab Rats out here. Yeah. Got some good boys. I watch all these guys. They're fun. Matt's Off-Road Recovery. They're all a very fun group. But, yeah, if you've been following my channel, you know that I won't talk too much a lot when I'm working because it's just how the brain of a special person works. Everybody says artist, but I say special person because I'm not an artist. I'm lucky I can write my name. The only downfall with using these is it pushes the case out a smidge. But what's worse, that or never having your screws ever tighten up again on your amplifier because it's an aluminum case. You see how that one, the drill didn't even drill? That's how stripped out it was. And then everybody keeps going to the next size screw, the next bigger screw, the next bigger screw until you get to a screw that's the size of your thumb. And what do you do then? No. Let's just fix it right. Sorry.
Up by the firewall somewhere.
If you guys weren't sitting right there in the way.
Right up here, we don't ride the struggle bus. It's trained. We got excited. Thought we could cut these hoses out. This will be 10 more minutes waiting on this ratchet. Pretty close to having a shifter.
Get you out of the way some more.
Well, it's a good thought.
God, you guys are always in the way.
Halfway. Just on everything. There you go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's out of our life. It's going to be way cleaner with that other stuff in there. Way more better. If that's even a word, way more better. That's what it's going to be. Let's see. Goes like that. I don't know if fixing it. Here we go. Oh. Oh, no, for launch right there. This motor in right against the firewall. They're good. Yeah, they're push locks. Yeah, you gotta cut the hose. No, it won't come off. You know the top, the dipstick is gonna be the hard part. Let's just cut her in half. Let's cut that.
Oh, and here we are with the last one.
That O2 still works, it's a little bent. Probably gonna need one of those.
No, did I break my bit?
I think we've got the shifter dial.
I hope I didn't break my bit. I don't think I broke my bit. But that snap noise sure sounded like I broke my bit.
Shift this through the gears. Let's see it work. Alright.
I guess we'll find out when I go to do the next time. That was weird.
That's technically all the gears we need, so. These are factory Chevy fuel injector on one side and the JIC on the other side. Takes some fuel. Come on, and they're done. There's a lot. Still, I got throttle cable.
Gotta do a little bangy bangy poo poo. Oh. And I forgot I gotta clip that lead. Gotta clip that lead. Because I didn't finish my job yesterday apparently. COVID.
I think we're ready to run fuel line.
All right.
We might be able to get that. It's close-ish.
I don't even know if my microphone's still working, but it doesn't care. I don't talk anyways. Oh, that's gonna be so nice.
So we know which one's pressure, which one's return. Okay. Alright, there's that. Yeah, we'll get that frame all the way up through there. Run one more, and then we gotta build these and still take the paint apart, solder them on, and technically we run power to that. It makes noise. And then we'll just get a 5/16 drill bit, drill a hole and bolt that down. Wonder how accessible that's gonna be. those off. Right there and right there. Those just pull them out of the way. Alright, so we're just going to cut the ends off of these and see if we can't weld to them. Yeah, we'll get it on there. Alright, we're about to try some, and I'm going to need you to go get this rag and get it wet so we can pull this stuff down. Try to keep an eye out for stuff we may melt or problems we may cause here. I talked to drill some caps out and weld them on there. So that's what we're currently doing. I think it's going to work. We're going to try it. That sounds cool. Seems we have a leak there. That was edgy. Minor inconvenience. Still got a leak. Really good. About to find out. Taper fit. That's not even the right one for it. You can go see if I got another one. So we don't have the ideal setup going on here. I don't know what I got. But I mean we make fire on that end, but it makes fire here still too. I think we're gonna be just fine.
This one I'm not worried about rivnuts because it's not the actual sides that holds the chassis together. These actually keep the whole chassis tied together.
One of those is the gauge and one of those is the bump. That's the ground.
Where's my drill? I don't know.
Build these lines, hook them on, put a little gas in it, and put a power probe to it, and fire it up and see if we can make pressure on it. It's all on there. Now, things don't leak. Good, right? Yeah, now we just basically got to bolt it to the frame the whole way up. Pour a little fuel in it and see if it can get a pipe and go get some gas out of there. We'll see if this thing makes good pressure. Regular gas. Let's pour it in there.
All right, so sorry about that, everybody.
Pressure go up and back and not have stuff leaking everywhere. We ain't got a fire. We can put power to it and see.
Bang, bang, bang. Don't you worry about me. Switch box. Okay, we turn this Cobra 29 off, and we're gonna come over to this Eagle 2000 AM mode. Hello. But man, why is it pegging the needle? What's wrong with it? Hello. It's because the needle don't do what it's supposed to. This is a 300, but yet, let's put her in peak mode. Hello. She does 350 peak, and she's a 200. Huh. This thing is smoking. Let's go on sideband. Let's go on average. Peak don't work for a sideband like that. Hello. Oh, sideband delay would help, wouldn't it? Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello. 1, 2. Yeah. Let's see what it does say in peak for sideband, even though it's kind of a redundant. Hello. 350. Well, all I can say, David, is your Kenrich Eagle 200 is good as new. Let's go. So.
We'll keep them coming.